If the roller shutter loses its position memory, it will enter manual mode. In manual mode, the key fob will not be able to be used. The load box and dash buttons will lose one-touch functionality, and the anti-pinch feature will not be active. In manual mode, the roller shutter travel speed will be constant, losing the soft close and open feature. To resume normal operation, you will need to reprogram the roller shutter. Press and hold either the dash or low box button until the roller shutter is halfway open. Press and hold the button again until the roller shutter reaches its fully open or fully closed position, and continue to hold the button for an additional 3 seconds. Now press the button again and hold it until the roller shutter reaches the other end of the load box. Hold the button for an additional 3 seconds. The roller shutter will now be fully operational.